My 2025 Christmas lights all done. Ah, I got my Christmas tree. There is my wife modeling Christmas tree.
One miracle to fix. Again, I can be on Facebook because I want to see what this Hoover carpet cleaner is not working. 1 year expired warranty and it stopped working. My wife, it doesn't work anymore, so I will open. So here it is inside. I succeed to open. I think this is the pump sucking up the water, and this is the turbo, I think, who is moving the brushes and the front, and this is the engine who doesn't want to turn. So I have to check, see what is going on here. So here it is. I took it apart. This is the motor. It looks plugged in with garbage. Means this seal was having a seal. It failed and it sucked up the dirt. And here is a fuse, ceramic fuse. Maybe this one is burned out. When the electric motor stopped, it should shortage, and maybe that's it. Needs a cleaning, I don't know, or needs a new motor. So I took the motor out. It's here. Needs to be cleaning. I have to take this gasket out or whatever it is. It's for sure something was not properly done and suck up all the dirt. And I checked the fuse. This is the fuse. So the fuse is busted. If it was good, I was having a signal like that. Means it's continuing, but at the end it doesn't give me nothing. So it's burned out. That's cheap. I can rebuild it or buy a new one.